Are you diligently doing push-ups every day, pushing through countless reps, genuinely believing you're forging a formidable upper body? What if I told you that your relentless effort might be an absolute waste of time, inadvertently stifling your progress and even opening the door to painful long-term injuries, all without you ever realizing it? Push-ups are hailed as one of the ultimate bodyweight exercises, a cornerstone for building powerful strength and chiseled definition. Yet, here's the uncomfortable truth. Almost everyone, and yes, that probably includes you, is making at least one, if not several, crucial mistakes, draining their precious energy and leaving those vital muscle gains completely unharvested. Don't let your dedication be squandered. Stop guessing, stop risking your physical well-being, and stick with me, because in these next few minutes, I'm going to unmask the top 5 critical errors that are sabotaging your push-up potential, showing you exactly how to instantly correct them, and finally unlock the explosive upper body power you never knew you possessed. Let's begin with a silent but pervasive error that many practitioners make, a problem that often goes unnoticed until the discomfort sets in: how you position your head. All too frequently, people crane their necks, either looking straight up at the ceiling or keeping their gaze fixed directly ahead as they move through their push-ups. This common oversight doesn't just place undue strain on those delicate neck muscles. It fundamentally throws your entire spine out of its natural, optimal alignment. This poor posture creates unnecessary tension throughout your body and ultimately robs you of efficient, total body power. The straightforward solution is to maintain a neutral spine. This means keeping your head perfectly aligned with your body throughout the entire movement. To achieve this, simply pick a specific spot on the floor, roughly 6 to 12 inches ahead of your hands, and consciously lock your gaze there for the duration of your set. This seemingly small adjustment ensures your body moves as one solid, stable unit, safeguarding your neck and dramatically enhancing the effectiveness of every single repetition you perform. Moving on, we come to a notorious mistake that can silently inflict significant damage on your shoulders over time: flaring your elbows outwards, creating a distinct T-shape with your arms when viewed from above. When your elbows are pushed wide to the sides, forming a harsh 90-degree angle with your torso, you are placing your delicate shoulder joint in an incredibly vulnerable and unstable position. This isn't just an inefficient way to move, it's a direct route to discomfort, potential pain, and serious long-term injury, all while stealing the crucial engagement from your powerful chest muscles. The fix is both elegant and surprisingly impactful. Gently tuck those elbows back towards your torso. Imagine you're aiming to create an arrow shape with your body if someone were to view you from directly above, bringing your elbows into roughly a 45-degree angle relative to your sides. This subtle yet profound adjustment immediately redirects the focus to your chest and triceps, engages them properly, powerfully safeguards your shoulders, and truly supercharges the efficiency and effectiveness of your push-ups. Next up is the common but highly detrimental hip dip, also known as hip sagging, a telltale sign of an inefficient movement pattern that poses a significant risk of lower back strain and injury. We've all seen it, and perhaps even inadvertently done it ourselves. That moment when your hips noticeably drop towards the floor while your upper back remains elevated. This makes the push-up feel artificially easier in all the wrong ways. Not only does this compromise the safety of your lower back, potentially leading to discomfort or more serious issues, but it also fundamentally undermines the integrity of the exercise itself. It means you're failing to adequately engage your core, losing tension, and ultimately missing out on the genuine strength-building benefits. The solution lies firmly in activating your core. You must consciously engage your core muscles, as if pulling your belly button towards your spine, and forcefully squeeze your glutes throughout the entire movement. This concerted effort will create a rock-solid, straight line that extends seamlessly from the crown of your head all the way down to your heels, completely eliminating any sagging in the middle and ensuring every single push-up contributes to building real, functional strength. Another insidious error that frequently derails push-up potential concerns the position of your shoulders. If you observe your shoulders rolling forward and rounding as you both lower and press, you're making a substantial, albeit common mistake that is severely limiting your progress. This compromised posture effectively takes the immense power of your chest muscles almost entirely out of the movement, instead shunting the majority of the load onto smaller, weaker stabilizer muscles. These smaller muscles will fatigue much faster, causing you to give out prematurely and preventing comprehensive muscle growth where you truly desire it, while also increasing your risk of nagging shoulder pain. To correct this, you must consciously pull your shoulders back and down, envisioning that you're trying to tuck them firmly into your back pockets. It's crucial to maintain this packed and engaged position, staying tight and locked in throughout the entire set. This critical adjustment ensures your powerful chest and triceps are the primary movers, leading to significantly more productive, potent, and ultimately rewarding push-ups. Finally, we must address the fundamental movement path itself, because a push-up is emphatically not a mere straight up and down elevator ride. If your push-up motion is purely vertical, you are tragically bypassing a significant portion of optimal chest activation and severely limiting your potential for maximum gains. That restricted linear motion limits the comprehensive involvement of vital chest muscle fibers. To truly ignite your entire chest and achieve explosive power, you need to think beyond a simple vertical push. As you drive upwards, instead of merely pushing straight against gravity, envision pushing slightly forward as well. Picture yourself aggressively trying to shove the entire floor away from you, as if extending your entire body both forward and upwards simultaneously. This nuanced and intentional shift in movement mechanics engages more of your chest muscles, resulting in a much stronger, more powerful, more explosive, and ultimately far more effective push-up every single time you perform it. Congratulations, you've just fundamentally upgraded your push-up technique, transforming what might have been a frustratingly inefficient exercise into a true powerhouse movement that builds undeniable strength and expertly protects your body from injury. But fixing your push-ups is merely the essential first step in optimizing your entire fitness journey. If you are determined to eliminate all the other common blunders that are silently sabotaging your hard work in the gym and draining your efforts, then don't hesitate. Click on the video link that just appeared on your screen right now. I've meticulously broken down 5 more devastating workout mistakes you are almost certainly making and, more crucially, shown you exactly how to fix them for good, guaranteeing every single drop of sweat you shed truly counts. Stop wasting another workout. Click through to unlock your full, unhindered athletic potential.